What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ6's channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the oil on your X300. The procedure is the same for an XJ40, and I usually change the oil every 5,000 miles on all of our vehicles. And it's about time to change the oil on my mom's Jag. By the way, you guys, once you're done watching this video, make sure to check out the Etsy shop where you can get some Jag merchandise. I have a Series 3, an XJ40, and an X300 t-shirts available, made by yours truly. So go support the channel, you guys. If you guys call me, go support the channel. And it's some good quality shirts too. It feels good. They actually fit. They fit good too. And also, I've watched this one multiple times, and the design is still there. So if I'm gonna put my name on something, I want it to be a good quality. So yeah, let's continue with this DIY video. I was about to say DUI. What the? Alright, let's continue.
Pull the center lever up to engage the emergency brakes. This puts pressure on the rear brakes to hold the vehicle in place. Use a low profile jack with a wooden block to raise the vehicle from the front cross member. Place some jack stands underneath both jack points to support the vehicle. Use a drain pan to catch the oil and make sure that it can hold up to 8 quarts. Use a 30mm socket and a 1/2-inch ratchet to loosen the drain plug. If the drain plug is on too tight, slide a pipe over the ratchet to give you more leverage. Inspect the oil drain plug washer. Normally it's recommended to replace the washer every oil change, but these washers on these Jags last longer since they're thicker and can be reused multiple times before being replaced. Don't over tighten the drain plug, just give it a nice snug or torque down to 20 to 25 foot-pounds. You should be able to remove the oil filter by hand, but if it's on too tight, use a strap wrench or a similar tool to undo the filter. Be aware that the filter is filled with oil and it will make a mess once you remove it, so keep the oil catch pan underneath. Make sure that the rubber gasket from the oil filter doesn't stay on the engine. The OEM Jaguar filter is the best filter choice, but other brands are acceptable. I personally like Bosch. It's a good quality filter that meets specs and it's inexpensive. Rub a small amount of oil onto the oil filter seal before installing it. Tighten the new oil filter until it's snug, then tighten it approximately a further quarter turn. Use a cleaner to spray around the block and wipe off any oil. I personally like using full synthetic 5W40 in all weather conditions. The oil brand and type is your own preference. Start the car and check for leaks. While checking for oil leaks, you have to do a few push-ups. This part is mandatory. It helps the oil cycle better. It's kind of like a rain dance. Double check the oil level, pull the dipstick, clean it, and put it back. Then you'll be able to get an accurate reading on the oil level. Add some more if it's needed. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.